An ability to read opens up a whole world of adventure, of exploration and discovery for our kids. And you don't have to be a teacher to get your kids reading. Kids already have incredible imaginations, tons of curiosity, and on top of all that, they have an amazing capacity for learning. Through using phonics, kids very quickly get used to using letter sounds or phonemes. They use these through actions, games and songs, and they very quickly begin to develop decoding skills. That's, they identify individual letter sounds and then the sounds within words from very simple to more complex. Of course, there are some words that really just can't be sounded out. We call these high frequency words or sight words. And kids will get confused, but we're going to teach you in this course. We'll show you ways to help your child learn to quickly recognize these words. Through a variety of fun tasks and games that the kids love, they will soon be reading more fluently. You can start kids early because they are hungry to learn. They really are, and it can be so much fun. When they start school, they'll already be familiar with the sounds and understanding of word building. Now you will have taught them the basic foundation for reading fluency. Come and join us on this introductory course for parents, carers or teachers. Treat yourself. Have some fun. Invest in your kids.